YouTube, what's going on? What's the deal? It's your boy Moves back with another video. And you guys see the title, it's true. I actually sold my BMW M4 this time. I remember when I first started my channel, I just joked around and I was like, yeah, I sold the car. The whole time I was shipping it out to New York, you know? But nah, this is true, guys. I actually did sell my car this time. We're on the way to the toy barn right now to meet up with the buyer and make a farewell video, you know? It's definitely a sad day for me. I honestly love this car. This car was an amazing car, and this car has done a lot of things for me in terms of you know, me being able to start my YouTube, me being able to start some new businesses off of it, and all types of things. And then it's just been a really nice driving experience, honestly. Like, this car is a lot of fun to drive, and man, yeah, you definitely can't beat this car for the money at all. And I'm definitely gonna miss it. So we're gonna get the buyer's first impressions of the car in person. He actually came from Kentucky, and then we're gonna be giving him the car, you know. So if you guys wanna stay tuned in with him, I'll have his social media accounts linked for you guys, so you can go check him out and be updated with the build and stuff. So it should be a pretty interesting video. Stay tuned. And if you guys are upset I'm selling the car, don't worry, we got something else cooking. But man, this other car got big shoes to fill, you know, because this car honestly is a hell of a car. So yeah, guys, that being said, let's roll. One last final drive in the BMW M4 Competition. Yeah, I'm not gonna wall out too much though. This is technically not really my car anymore. So that being said, guys, let's throw this bad boy in comfort and take it easy on this guy's car. Man, I'm gonna miss this bad boy, honestly. It was a hell of a car to own, guys. It really was. Alright, guys, major shout out to the toy barn. They helped us a lot with the whole process of selling my car. So if you guys need a vehicle, check out the toy barn. They're real good people. Would definitely highly recommend them to anyone looking to purchase a car. But we are now about to pull in. We got the last couple minutes with my M4, man. I'm gonna definitely miss this car a lot. And yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. We'll get the buyer's impression of the car if he wants to be on video, and then shoot, we can go from there as well. All right, guys, here she is. One last walk around at the BMW M4 Comp. I'm gonna miss this car, guys. Said it before in the video, and I'll say it again. It was a hell of a car to own. Just get it back a little bit more. Check that out. Hopefully it's gonna have a good new home to it, you know, and the buyer enjoys the car. You know, I've driven other M's before. Like, I've driven other M3s, like an M3 G80, a stock one. They just don't compare to how good the driving experience is with this car, with it being so dialed in, with the exhaust, the tune, the power, everything, the intakes, the steering wheel, the paddles, you name it, you know. I've done a build walkthrough video of this car, going into detail with everything done. to it. And yeah, man, it's a lot of stuff done to this car. So kind of a bittersweet moment, you know. All right, guys, so we have Andrew here. He just traded in his Durango, and he's getting this beautiful BMW M4. So what do you think? What is the first impressions of the car, the color? What do you like?
It looks way better in person.
Thank you, man. You know, a lot of people actually say that. Like the color, the video doesn't really do it justice as much.
It looks way better in person.
Yeah.
That wrap is insane.
Thank you, man. Thank you. So, what's the fastest car you've had before this?
Probably that Durango.
That Durango? You think it was faster than, you had a Corvette, right?
No.
I thought you had a C5 or something like that. Oh, okay. So, yeah. This is a beast right here. So, shoot, you're going to definitely enjoy it. You got a 4-hour drive back, right?
Yeah, 4 hours.
Yeah, so it's going to be a nice drive back. I think you'll be real excited with things.
Get used to it.
Yeah, get used to it a little bit. If they want to follow you on Instagram and see the car more, how could they do that?
Captain_Stone_.
Okay, perfect. And then I'll have it probably somewhere here and then the description below. So yeah, much love to him. Hope you enjoy your new car, brother.
Thank you.
All right, let's get it done. We'll get you a ride in it, and then you want to just drive it back or something?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys. Almost forgot the food vlog. Got the Imperial Feast. Basically, this is hibachi, steak, chicken, and shrimp. Definitely hitting the spot. And then we got my guy Andrew here. What you get, man?
I just got the calamari hibachi.
The calamari hibachi. What you give the spot out of 10?
8.5.
8.5. That's solid. That's solid. I had to get some food with him, man. Check his channel out. Check his page out, guys. If you want to see the M4, right? Go check him out. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all later. All right, guys, we have the BMW M4 in the back, saying goodbye to this beautiful car, man. It's so bittersweet, honestly. Congratulations to my guy Andrew on the new car. He said he's gonna be posting some content, guys, so check him out, right? Let's give y'all the last walkthrough of it. I'm gonna also help him get everything set up on the car before he goes on his way, and we say our goodbyes to the M4. So stay tuned for everything he got going. Man, bittersweet, man. He's getting this shot of the car. Look at that color, though. That color is special, man. Oh my God. It looks amazing here too, like under this lighting and everything. I'm gonna miss this car. See the white guts real quick. Let's check that out. Motivo Forged wheels. If you guys need any wheels, check out motivoforge.com. We make wheels for all vehicles. Gotta put my business in there. I gotta plug it real quick. And then check out the white guts. Man, love this car. All right. So let's get Andrew set up real quick, and then he'll be on his way. All right, guys, saying goodbye to the BMW M4. Right. Man, feels weird seeing somebody drive my car. My guy Will here. I appreciate you coming through, Will. Say I appreciate you coming through.
Oh, no problem.
Alright. Let's rock. Oh, what's that? Damn, that car got some presents. Oh my God. I looked at that car, I'm like, yo, what car is that?
At the light, use the second lane for right to turn right onto Tunnel Crossing Boulevard.
Man.
Use the second lane for the right to turn right.
Man, I definitely am, bro. Damn, that mug is clean, bro. Man, that's the first time I see my car driving.
I-270 south toward Rose.
Wow.
Car shopping in the suburbs of Ohio.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And here's the man of the hour. First it was Sean, now it's Hamza. So tell him what happened. Tell him what happened.
Y'all getting the exclusives, man. That M4 is sold, guys. You know. So now I gotta figure out what I want to get.
Arguably the nicest M4 in the country, he sold it.
I was sick, man, when I was seeing the guy leave with my car on the highway. I was like, man, that car was sick. So now it's like, do I want to get another BMW? That'll probably sound different. I feel like BMW is my thing currently. And I'm like, man, if I switch it up, will it still be hitting the same, like the views and everything and the content? Would it be just as good? But I don't know, man. Let me know what y'all think I should do. Should I change it up or should I stick to the Beamer?
So you stick to the Beamer content? Okay, well, if you got another Beamer, what would it be?
M3 or M4 X Drive.
All right, so all-wheel drive.
Yeah, X Drive.
I know somebody got an X Drive that's probably going to sell theirs pretty soon.
So we're gonna see.
Hey, this tight right here. Hey.
This cat, I'm taking up all his
Hey.
unused whips.
Hey, we already got mods. All right, we'll get you in a 488, man. Let's get you in a 488.
No, I like the 48. I think 812 is my speed.
812, let's go see if they got an
I
812.
gotta get a couple more years grinding in.
Get you a, what is this, a red demon? Or is this a red eye?
No, that's a demon right here.
It's a demon.
You know?
Oh yeah, you can see what I'm
It's gonna be
tired.
the Mopar final boss. I have to go get a GT500. You know, it's a GT500.
I sound like a Hellcat.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, that's a Hellcat.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the color right there, though. Dravits.
Yeah, that drive is sick.
What do you think about this color over here? The blue. The blue.
You like that color a lot.
Uh,
Nice.
it's got to be on the right wheels, for sure.
Facts.
For sure, you got to have that on the right wheels.
The right set would make this car. I like this car though. It's like it reminds me of chalk a little bit with it being like a flat.
Yeah,
color.
with the flakes. There he is. How you doing, man?
Sick though.